In this video, we're going to look at a nice kitchen gadget. It's a refillable plastic wrap dispenser with a side cutter. It's designed for standard 12-inch rolls. Foil, parchment paper, or saran wrap will fit in here quite nicely. This ingenious gadget effortlessly is going to allow you to pull and wrap your food. If the suction cups don't work on your surface, you can also use these double adhesive hooks that we have found to allow you to hang this without drilling into your walls. Stay tuned for the whole video. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you another little kitchen gadget. So this is a saran wax paper or foil holder. Here's what it looks like. Essentially it's a cutter, right? So you cut it with this, and it also allows you to kind of pull it. There's a suction on here, so you can mount it kind of like that, and then you can pull it, right? But it's not that great in terms of holding, and we want to put this underneath. And let's get back to that. To open this and exchange the roll, you just open this up. There you go. And then this essentially just goes in like so. And then this is where you need to put the roll. Here's your saran wrap, and it fits every one of them. It's a universal. There you go. All right, and now we're gonna put this in. Just snaps in there. And there you go. And now we just pull this, and then when we're ready, here we just, voila. So let's go mount it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we got these double adhesive no drill mounting brackets. So these come in packs of like 10, 15, 20, 50. What it is it allows you to attach one end to your device. It can be a shelf, it can be a garbage bin, it can be absolutely anything. And then the other end goes into the wall, so that way you can very easily just separate the two when you need to take it off, see? Like that. So let's go and apply this adhesive, and we're gonna attach it to the wall. All right, so this is on, and we trimmed it a little bit so it doesn't stick out from the top and the bottom. Grab the other part, and this is the part that it hooks onto. So we're gonna go and just peel this off. All right, we got one. All right, it's up. And if we want to take it off, we just lift and we take off. And there you go, that's on here. So then we can just swap this out, and then when we're ready, we have it pretty tight, but essentially it goes down like that. There you go. Now, when we're ready to pull, and then done. So there it is. Nice saran wrap with custom hooks. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.